everyone, I'm Jen Woodhouse, and today we're bringing the Home Depot Kids Workshop experience directly to you at home. For a limited time only, these kid workshop kits are available online at homedepot.com. Today, we're going to be building a toy airplane. It looks like I've got everything ready to go. My pieces and my tools are here. Now, all I'm missing is a kid to build this thing. All I'm missing is a kid to build this thing. All right, let's get started. In this Kids Workshop kit, we've got one body, one wing, a propeller, a wheel, one rear wing, and one tail fin. We've also got some nails here. Now for tools, we'll need a hammer, some wood glue, and some safety glasses, of course. You might also want to grab some fine sandpaper if the wood pieces are rough. And if you'd like to paint your project, don't forget the acrylic craft paint and a paintbrush. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is sort the nails. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 3 short nails and 1 long nail. Now we're going to place the body of the plane with the top side up. You can tell which side is the top by looking at the tail. The angle of the tail should be on the bottom. So we're going to add a little glue. This is where the wing goes. Okay. Place that on there. And then we're going to attach the wing to the body with 2 of the short nails. Okay. All right, don't get my fingers. Great job. All right. Okay. Good. Great. Next, we're going to stand the plane up on its tail, and then we're going to attach the propeller with 1 short nail. So propeller goes right on here. But don't use glue here so the propeller can spin. Uh-oh. Oh! Good job. Let's add the wheel now. Let's turn the plane upside down, and then we're going to glue the wheel to the body right under the wing. Right here. And then we're going to hammer it in with the long nail. Okay, last step, we're going to glue the straight edge of the rear wing into the horizontal slot. Okay, so we got to make sure that we line up the slots.
Get in there.
Get it in there.
It won't go in.
Your glasses are awesome. I love it. You look so adorable. All right, now the tail fin and the rear wing. That should go right in there. Okay, cool. You did it.
I did it upside down.
You did it upside down. Finally, your kiddos can customize their toy airplane with paint or stickers. If you don't have this kit, try to find things around your house that you can use, like popsicle sticks and straws, maybe some cardboard or even scrap wood if you have it. Feel free to get creative with your kids and make something fun together. My little boy added a little parachute to his plane to see if he could actually make it fly. It didn't. Womp womp. Visit ScienceFairCentral.com for more project ideas and hands-on STEAM-powered activities that you can do with your kids at home. What do you think?
It was pretty cool.
Awesome. So for more videos and instructions on this project and others, visit the website linked below. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you build with your kids. You're looking taller than usual.
Thanks, Mom.